Hello, good morning students. In the last video we discussed scarcity definition given by Professor Robbins in his book Nature and Significance of Economic Science published in 1932. A science which studies human behavior as a relationship between ends and scare means that have alternative uses. And we have also discussed main points which can be derived from the definition. In this video, we are going to discuss what are the points of criticism of scarcity definition. Scarcity definition इकोनॉमिक्स की बेस्ट डेफिनेशन मानी जाती है, यूनिवर्सली एक्सेप्टेड डेफिनेशन. मगर कोई भी चीज, कोई भी लॉ, कोई भी थियरी, कोई भी डेफिनेशन इकोनॉमिक्स में 100% परफेक्ट नहीं है, उसकी क्रिटिसिज्म होगी. So the definition, scarcity definition is also not free from criticism. There are some limitations, there are some criticisms against the definition we are going to discuss. First, too wide and too narrow definition. According to modern economists, it is too wide by nature. Why? Because it discusses two problems: problem of choice and problem of scarcity. Two problems are universal problem. Not only in economic, in political field, in psychological field, in religious field, we are facing this problem. Two problems, very wide, too wide in nature. So on the one hand, it is too wide. On the other hand, it is too narrow. Why? Because the statement of Robbins that economics is concerned with only scare means it remains neutral between ends. उसको इकोनॉमिक्स सिर्फ इतना दिखाता है कि कैसे स्क्वायर मीन्स का हम लोग પ્રોપર યુટિલાઇઝેશન કરે. ગુજરાતીમાં કહીએ તો જે અછતવાળા સાધનો છે એનો આપણે ઇષ્ટતમ ઉપયોગ કઈ રીતે કરવો એટલું શીખવે છે. એ આપણી જરૂરિયાતો એન્ડ સાથે એને કોઈ લેવા દેવા નથી. ઇટ રિમેન્સ ન્यूट्रल बिटवीन एंड. वो हमारी एंड्स अनलिमिटेड रहेगी, उससे इकोनॉमिक्स को कोई लेना देना नहीं है. इकोनॉमिक्स इज नॉट कंसर्न विद द अनलिमिटेड एंड्स ऑफ द ह्यूमन बीइंग. So it discuss only one aspect, scale means, but it has not discussed other aspect, ends, unlimited ends. So from this point of view, it is narrow in nature. So on the one hand, it is too wide. On the other hand, it is too narrow. Second, very important, accept the concept of welfare through backdoor. The most important criticism of welfare definition by रॉबिन्स ने क्या कहा था कि he has highly criticized the concept of welfare. He said whatever else economics is concerned, economics is never concerned is with welfare. इकोनॉमिक्स को वेलफेयर के साथ कोई लेना नहीं. इकोनॉमिक्स कंसर्न ओनली विथ इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी. इकोनॉमिक्स इज नॉट कंसर्न विथ वेलफेयर. सबसे ज्यादा अगर किसी ने क्रिटिसाइज की है वेलफेयर की तो रॉबिन्स ने की है. So on the one hand, he criticized the concept. On the other hand, from backdoor, he accept the concept of welfare. कैसे? Because his definition क्या suggest करती है उसकी definition? How to use scare means, alternative scare means in a proper manner that we can achieve the maximum satisfaction. With minimum resources, maximum satisfaction. With minimum input, maximum profit. Economics क्या दिखाता है कि our wants are unlimited. To satisfy the resources are limited with alternative uses. How to get maximum satisfaction with minimum resources? Idea of optimization, economics. Idea of maximization, economics. ઓછામાં ઓછા સાધન વડે વધુમાં વધુ સંતોષ કઈ રીતે મેળવી શકાય એ કોણ બતાવશે? ઇકોનોમિક્સ. એ શું થયું? વેલફેર. Obviously it is welfare because the definition itself suggesting that how to make optimum utilization of available resources. to get maximum satisfaction. So even though he criticized the concept of welfare, but from the back door, he also accept the concept of welfare. Third and very important, economics cannot and should not, एक अलग हम लोग ऐड करते हैं, economics cannot and should not remain neutral between ends. According to Professor Robbins, economics remains neutral between ends. Economics is not concerned with ends. The function of economics is the deal with the problem what is, not what should be. What is the situation? Positive signs, not what should be. ये होना चाहिए, वो होना चाहिए, ये नहीं करना चाहिए. It is not the role of an economist. Just explain and explore, not to recommend it or condemn. This is the role of economics. Economics को क्या है, वो सिचुएशन को सिर्फ एनालाइज करना है, एक्सप्लेन करना है, वो मॉरल जजमेंट नहीं देना है कि ये नहीं करना चाहिए, वो नहीं करना है, बात बराबर. Economics is positive science. But modern economics says that economics is not only positive science, it is also normative science. It is not only dealing with the problem what is, but it is also dealing with the problem what should be. होना चाहिए. Why? We have to discuss. It is also the role of economist कि आपको डिस्कस करनी पड़ेगी कि ये होना चाहिए, ये करना चाहिए, हमको ये स्टेप लेना चाहिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम ऑफ इंडियन इकोनॉमी, पॉवर्टी एंड अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट. दीज आर द प्रॉब्लम्स, पॉवर्टी एंड अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट. सो हम लोग सिर्फ पॉवर्टी का डेटा लेते हैं कि इंडिया में अबाउट 27% पीपल आर लिविंग बिलो पॉवर्टी लाइन. हो जाएगा इससे? नहीं. द रोल ऑफ इकोनॉमिस्ट, अर्थशास्त्री का रोल क्या स्टार्ट होगा कि he should not only study the problem, he should analyze the problem. What are the causes of the poverty? What is the extent and magnitude of poverty? क्यों होता है, कैसे होता है, okay? And what are the suggestions? What should government do? What should other people do to tackle the problem of poverty? सिर्फ पॉवर्टी है, अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट है, ये सिर्फ एनालाइज करेंगे तो नहीं चलेगा. द रोल ऑफ इकोनॉमिस्ट इज टू ऑल्सो मेक प्रॉपर सजेशन दैट द गवर्नमेंट शुड टेक दिस स्टेप्स टू रिमूव द पॉवर्टी. मनरेगा, MG नरेगा, महात्मा गांधी नरेगा योजना, वन ऑफ द फेमस स्कीम ऑफ द पॉवर्टी रिमूवल प्रोग्राम और अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट रिमूवल प्रोग्राम. दिस इज सजेशन देना चाहिए पड़ेगा. So economics cannot remain neutral between end. He has to make suggestion. अभी थोड़े दिन पहले न्यूज मेरे पेपर में आया था कि इन हंगर इंडेक्स India's position is very very bad. I am also surprised to read the data. कि हमारी पोजीशन पाकिस्तान और बांग्लादेश से भी नीचे है. इन हंगर इंडेक्स द Bangladesh rank was about 75 and India's rank was 102 out of 114 countries. So this is very very bad situation for us. Hunger index. આટલા લોકો ભૂખમરાથી મરે છે, આટલા લોકોને માલ ન્યુટ્રિશનનો પ્રોબ્લેમ છે. This is the very bad situation for India. So the role of economist का सिर्फ यही है कि सिर्फ इतना रोल होगा कि हमारे इंडिया में इतना हंगर इंडेक्स में हम लोग इतने पीछे. नो, दिस इज नॉट ओनली द रोल ऑफ द इकोनॉमिस्ट. द रोल ऑफ इकोनॉमिस्ट इज टू एनालाइज द होल प्रॉब्लम. ही हैज टू फाइंड द रीजंस व्हाई दैट दिस हैपेंड टू इंडिया एंड ही हैज टू मेक सजेशन कि कैसे हम हंगर इंडेक्स में को इम्प्रूव करें, कैसे हम हंगर के प्रॉब्लम को रिमूव करें इंडिया में. So economics cannot and should not remain neutral between ends. But Kane Robbins ने क्या कहा है, economics remains neutral between. Last, too much emphasis on scarcity aspect. Too much emphasis on scarcity aspect. Okay, the problem arises due to scarcity. Of course, it is true that scarcity is one of the biggest problem that everybody is facing. A person, a family, a country, the world. Okay, good. But scarcity is problem. But our focus or our emphasis should not be on scarcity, but it should be on the growth. How to tackle the problem of scarcity? By growing your economy, by developing your economy for development. So definition should not be scarcity oriented. Definition should be growth oriented. Growth oriented. Therefore, our next definition is growth oriented definition by Professor Samuelson. Okay, these are the points of problem of limitations or scarcity of scarcity definition.